One.
My name is Karen Brown, and I met Miss Smiley in Tampa doing a hair replacement class. And with me asking a lot of questions, I was very skeptical about the procedure. So she ended up using me as a model for this non-surgical hair replacement. And I really love it, and I will never go back to a sewing, never ever again. I don't want it, not anymore. I'm loving my hair, see? Woo. Yeah, I really love it. So what I did, I signed up for her class, which we attended, and certified to do it myself now. The class was very informative. We got a lot of information. I mean, she didn't left anything undone. She sat with you through the entire process, the procedure, as far as being a network provider, you know, with insurance companies. It was really, really informative, and it was well worth the money. Thank you.